Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value in my content. And if you guys enjoy, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Alright guys, today I'm gonna do my first and last unboxing for the year 2020, of course. I'm gonna be doing more next year, but for 2020, this is my first and last unboxing. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut this box through. I just cut these I already cut my address, so you know I can stay anonymous just how I actually want to stay anonymous. Alright, I always find it very hard to cut through these papers. Alright, there we go. Alright, so guys, I ordered about 4 ounces, and for some reason it says here it's 0.24 kgs. Maybe the box is a little heavy. I don't know what the case might be. Alright, I'm just gonna, okay, there's more tape inside. Alright, we've got it open. Wow, that's a nice packaging. Wow. Oh, okay, so this is probably my bill. I'm gonna get to it later. Okay. Oh, nice, really soft material to keep the coins safe. Alright guys, so these are the 4 coins that I ordered. So they're not 4 ounces, they're 3.5 ounces. There are 4 coins. So I'm just gonna start with this gilded lunar rooster coin. Well, you guys have already seen that I have one of these coins, but I ordered one more because I might be flipping one of these, as I'm getting a lot of like inquiries on my classified page in UAE. Alright guys, so there you have it, ear of rooster gilded. And next up, I've got this 1/2 ounce of lunar horse series from Birth Mint. I got this coin to, you know, gift it to my nephew for the New Year's, because I really want to get them involved. You know, it's a good coin. I didn't want to buy like a Disney coin or the marble coins. They're very expensive, but I think this will do, you know, and get him interested and stacking from early on. Alright guys, so this one has a face value of 50 cents, and this one I believe has a face value of, is it $1? Yeah, $1 Australian dollar. Alright, and guys, I got 2 of these pandas, different years. This one is the one, I think, one panda. Yeah, this is one panda. It's 2014. It looks pretty clean to me. Looks like a nice piece, and it's very thick actually. I don't know why, but it feels more heavier than this one. Alright, I'll check that later why that feels more heavier, even though I think these ones are 30 grams and they're not even 31.1 grams. So they're missing 1.1 gram in my, what I know, but I don't know why it says 1 ounce here, even though I know that they're not 1 ounce, because I've seen that on maybe the newer ones are not 1 ounce and they're 30 grams. Guys, let me know. These ones are 2013 and 2014. So I haven't done my research, but I was getting like these at a very nice price, so I got these 4 coins. I hope you guys reach your goals and your resolutions for the next year. Comment down below which one of these coins did you like the most and why. Alright, and if you have any, and do let me know about these pandas guys. I don't know, I'm not sure why they say 1 ounce. Maybe the newer ones are the 30 gram ones. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.